This is the grave of Annie Leroy Matlock. Annie was born September 11th, 1866, in Wilson, Kansas. She was the first of two children born to James and Rosanna Woolman Leroy. When Annie was born, James was 18 and Rosanna was 21. A year later, in 1867, Rosanna would have a baby boy named Charles. Annie's father worked as a farmhand on Rosanna's family farm. In 1867, sometime after Charles was born, Rosanna passed away. In December of 1868, Annie's father, James, remarried Rosanna's younger sister, 18-year-old Elmira Woolman. James would have four more children with her: Peter, Eugene, Ida, and Joseph. In the 1880 census, when Annie was 13, her family had moved to Douglas County, Missouri. Charles was no longer with the family. On December 22, 1889, when Annie was 23, she married 17-year-old Joseph Marion Matlock. Annie and Joseph would have 9 children together, 8 boys and 1 girl. Unnamed twin boys that would pass away in infancy: Julian, Arthur, Homer, Rufus, Bertha, Thornton, and Daniel. Julian would pass away at the age of 23 due to an accidental shooting. The rest of the children lived into adulthood. Joseph worked as a farmer and Annie as a housewife. 1910 was a rough year for Annie. In January of 1910, Annie gave birth to her last child, Daniel, at the age of 43. 4 months later, her younger brother, Franklin Leroy, passed away at the age of 37 due to pneumonia. 5 months later, in October, her father, James, was killed by being thrown from a horse. Annie passed away June 17, 1922, at the age of 55. Her obituary stated she passed away after a lingering illness from a complication of diseases. After Annie's passing, Joseph remarried another widower named Jessie Schaus, who had 4 children from her previous marriage. The couple then moved to Ponca City, Oklahoma. Joseph would pass away 21 years later at the age of 77. He is buried at Blackwell Cemetery in Oklahoma with Jessie. Annie is buried at Yates Cemetery in Ava, Missouri, next to her sons, her father, and her brother, Pete Leroy. So this is the photo that I took of Annie's grave before I cleaned it. And here's the photo that I took of it 2 months later. I think it looks a lot better. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.